Good afternoon. I'm currently traveling for conference, and since we are covering our heart failure awareness series, we'll continue our discussion along the same lines. Can people with heart failure safely travel by flight? And the simple answer is yes. If you have stable heart failure, you can actually travel by flight safely. But there are some risks associated with flying. So what are those risks? Sometimes changes in cabin pressure can lead to a drop in oxygen, making the heart work harder. Also, long flights, and if you sit for too long, can increase your risk for clot formation, getting blood clots, and heart failure in itself is a risk factor for clot formation. And finally, your changes in fluids or excess salt can sometimes lead to fluid retention and increase the symptoms of heart failure. So how can you travel safely if you have a diagnosis of heart failure? You should only travel if your heart failure is stable. And these are some of the things that you should do. Number one, before you travel, get clearance from your doctor. Ensure you carry extra medications in your hand luggage. Do not sit for too long. Stand and stretch during the flight. Don't take excess salt during the flight or excess fluids, but remember to stay hydrated. If your doctor advises, you may wear compression stockings to prevent clot formation, and then ensure that you have your medication. Take your medications as advised. If it's a long journey, if you take morning and evening, the medication is in your hand luggage, and continue as necessary. If you require oxygen, arrange for supplemental oxygen. Who are the people who should not travel, or it may be risky to travel? If you have been recently admitted for severe heart failure, you may consider postponing your trip until you are much better. If your oxygen is low, or if your breath is at rest, it may be risky to travel. Or if your oxygen levels are low, you may have to postpone your traveling or arrange for supplemental oxygenation. So yes, if you have stable heart failure, you can safely travel with the cautions we have mentioned. And if you are unstable, postpone your traveling, and always ensure you have medical clearance from your doctor before you travel. Dr. Beatrice Muthui-Mutua, saving lives one heart at a time.